Tyrese Sampson life mattered.
Yep.
And his 15-year birthday would have been today.
Tyrese Sampson's father made an emotional plea on what would have been his son's 15th birthday. He wants the ride that took Tyrese's life taken down.
And he wants a memorial put up in its place. Tyrese Sampson died after falling from the free fall ride at Icon Park in Orlando. News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson joining us live from the Tampa News Center with the story.
Good evening, Keith and Jen. Yarnell Sampson says he gave his son a vacation in Orlando to award him for good grades, and his son never came home. Yarnell Sampson blames Icon Park for not protecting his son. Outside of the Icon Park in Orlando today, Yarnell Sampson, attorney Ben Crump, and others released balloons on what would have been Tyrese Sampson's 15th birthday. Yarnell Sampson again demanded the ride where his son lost his life be dismantled, taken down, and a memorial to Tyree be put up in its place.
He didn't sign up to die. He signed up to ride a ride, to have fun, and it led up to something else.
A report after the incident in March showed harness sensors had been manually adjusted to allow the teen to ride. The report found the 380-pound teenager should never have been permitted on a ride with a 287-pound maximum capacity. Florida State Representative Geraldine Thompson says many mistakes were made that day.
The things that happened here were out of the ordinary. Seats being adjusted after inspection, after a permit, that was out of the ordinary.
She says young employees working at the ride were not properly trained, and she plans to introduce legislation to change that. Attorney Ben Crump says it's time for the owners of the attraction to admit fault.
We have a video that shows us everything that happened before Tyree got on the ride and after he tragically fell from the ride. It shouldn't be that complicated to be able to report out.
The owners of Icon Park have filed motions to dismiss the Sampson lawsuit against them. Live in the Tampa News Center, Jeff Patterson, 8 on your side.